Check in, my beautiful people. Go on. Alright, so today's a beautiful day, guys, and you can see the sun out. I want to say, oh, I just done mash up some stew peas. Mm. I just done to cook some stew peas, guys. I say I did a video quick and fast. This is an unboxing video. You know what I mean? So, alright, so guys, food nice, man. I like. Some people don't really cook stew peas with carrot, but I cook stew peas with carrot majority of the time. So, yeah. So blessings, my beautiful people. What's up? Well, go on the Boy Knife Ninja Active. Today's a beautiful day. So today again is another unboxing video. So I have a few items here that were ordered from the wish list. You know what I mean? So we just want to give a big shout out to the subscriber who reached out and ordered them items here. So we are making this walk on. Alright, so first and foremost, I don't know how to big up God. Yeah man, that is it, man. Channel grow, guys. We're making connections, you know what I mean, and we have to give thanks to that because I'm not lie. Based on where we are coming from, Touch Power there right now. We see the growth and we're helping a lot of people. You guys saw the most recent video that we did. You understand? We had received a little contribution from one of our lovely subscribers from the UK. You know what I mean? She see what I go on, she see what I do with thing, and she bless up the thing. You know what I mean? We come to Bamson, give out some umbrella. You understand? And Sika went ahead and buy one cracks for one of the gentlemen in the downtown Kingston. You see it? So that was a truly blessed moment, guys. Man, I lie. So we have to just big up the whole team again. Sika, Cosboy. This content today, I'll be doing this without them. The guys are busy. You see it? So alright, so I've received two packages from my lovely people them. You know what I mean? This is a nice little package. Watch it. Okay, guys. Oh, this look fancy as a shame. Fancy. Premium. Alright, so I keep all of them things in the car. Whatever they in this, I keep it in the box. Alright. Alright, so guys, I got some premium knives from one of my lovely subscribers. Now, these knives are amazing. I saw them online. I added them to the wish list. Not, you know, I just put them on the wish list because eventually I made a plan to get them myself if someone, you know, if nobody did get them. So these knives are, them look like Damascus blade. You see it? So make this so I'll go on. I got quite a few of them, guys. See them here, peeps. I got a wonderful knife set. Them heavy. No lie. Them feel good. You see it? So this is the bread knife. Over here, so we have a nice, like, you see me, whole heap of knife skills. So now see me upon the, yeah man. Now see me I go with a bag of things, guys, and we have some paring knives as well. You see me? Trust me. For me personally though, these two are gonna be my go-to knives. You know what I mean? So yeah man, that is it, man. These two are definitely gonna be my go-to knives, and them sharp people. I can't express or exaggerate how sharp these knives are. You understand? So blessings to the subscriber. You don't know the Boy Knife Ninja there. And how can you be a knife ninja and have different knives? So these are something different. Them feel good in the palm. Nice and balanced. You get me I say? Nice and balanced. Let me see something that will on there. Yeah man. Nice and balanced, guys. Yeah man, so you don't know. You can go out a bag of things on the board. That is it, man. What do you know this? What's this? Hold on, guys. What? We get a bonus knife. Guys, we get a bonus knife. Hold on there. It's the same as this, so we get two of them knife, peeps. we got 2 of these knives. We get a bonus knife. Jano Star. This is so cool. So I have 2 of these knives, guys. I'm grateful. And thank you so much to the subscriber who reach out, you know what I mean? I probably gonna do a raffle with this and give it down here. I don't know, but you don't know. We get 2 of them. I swear, I see it a while ago and I saw it. What do over here, sir? I don't really like give things I receive as gifts, you know. But, you know, probably I'll just keep them. I want to do a raffle one of them there and, you know, issue out some knife sets. Some nice knife. Maybe I'll probably buy them out of my pocket. But these knives are amazing. Trust me, guys. Amazing knives. Alright, so I put back the free one in here, so. I swear, I don't know, so this day. So I see the pack all again, I saw land. What do you know this? I check say one like one of them skill, there's something we use and sharpen the knife or something, you get me I say? Alright, so we're just gonna rest this on the top of the car for now. We're gonna see what's in the box. Alright, so alright guys, so basically I got a camping tent. This was on the wish list. You get me I say? Planning on doing some camping videos. Oh boy, this one hot, man, I lie. Yeah, so we're planning on doing some camping videos, some, you know, adventures, stuff like that. So I decided to put a tent in the bag. You done in the wish list. And trust me, when I say the person ordered it for me, I was super excited and super grateful. So to the lovely subscriber, if you're watching this video, we received the tent, you know what I mean, we received the knife sets, and you know, it's truly a blessing. Your boy Knife Ninja fully active. How much minutes we gone already? We're gone 6 minutes. So yeah man, your boy Knife Ninja fully active. Super excited and grateful. So I'm making you see it look. See me can just take a sneak peek on it. We have sample one of the knife them guys. What? Thing melt like butter. Oh my word. Yo, I see myself I use them knife here, you know. Special occasions only. Jano Star, I feel good is a shame. Alright, so we'll put on back the safety. You know what I mean? Yeah man, that is it man. Alright, so this is the tent guys. Well, nice and compact. Nigel, are you there? So watch this in the Nigel. Camping video, them active you know. Nothing can stop the thing. Let me see it look real quick. Guys, this tent was expensive. I'm not lie. Trust me, I'm grateful as a shame. The material look like the tarp. Like tarpaulin. Like the tarpaulin them. It feel thick. Yeah man. So I cover it up back when I tree take it out. Very soon we'll be doing a camping video guys. And I say we roll out the camping thing here. And of course we have a power bank as well. This was something that I've, you know, when we put on the wish list. So we get this. So this I will definitely put on the camping vlog. It come with a flashlight and a bag of things. I've been using it from I got it and trust me, it's done an exceptional job. You know, feel it work, man, I lie. I love it, it's a shame. So that is it man. So with that being said guys, we just want to give a big shout out to our lovely subscribers, you know what I mean, the people, well, a lovely subscriber who ordered these stuff. We have another unboxing coming very soon. We have some stuff we'll receive from a different shipping company. This was not a part of the wish list, so we'll go do unboxing on that. So we can come out our son. Yeah man, we'll do unboxing on that pretty soon guys. You get me I say, so if you don't know the thing go, Boy Knife Ninja active. Give thanks to everybody who check in and, you know, support the channel. You understand? Check in the latest video though. Trust me, that video was one of our longest video, you know, since, you know, since we start the whole YouTube journey, you know, and trust me, it was truly a blessing, guys. First, we do the content, the meal here upon the channel, but it worked out really well. So we just want to give a big shout out to our lovely subscribers. Guys, may I catch me break the sun messed me up, man. Yeah, so we just want to give a big shout out to our lovely subscribers. Nadine, big up yourself. Patrice, Casey, Adventure TV, everybody who tune in, auntie from the UK, auntie from Cayman Island, uncle from Cayman Island, big up yourself, you see it. Everybody who give see the strength and see the fight and see the everything and I support the thing, you know what I mean? And looking from this, you don't know the channel I go reach on a level where we can do a lot more, you understand? Because you don't know, I'm not really free to spend my money. But once the thing up on a level, you don't know I do the right thing. And we have a lot of people on board that's helping us to achieve our goals, you know what I mean? So we don't want to leave out nobody. We're super grateful and excited and, you know, just to do the right thing. So until next time, guys, you don't know. Again, big up Cosboy, big up Zeke Dan, big up yourself, Sicker Dan, big up yourself, you see me? So your boy Knife Ninja fully active. these gifts are definitely going to be used and you know I see where I use them up. Definitely the knives. The camping now is something we have to go plan for car. You don't know we have a jerk pan where we have build. You understand? We have build a little jerk pan and you see the little water, the portable water drum on my bill. My father build over there. So big up my father for building that for me. So we have a jerk pan, a small compact jerk pan where we build. You know what I mean? So we can go up and we look at hiking and nice little off-grid type of settings. So more videos coming from Knife Ninja JA. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Big up on yourself. Hills people are skilled people. But I mean, I like the heat wave and the normal. Trust me. The heat wave, yeah, no normal people. But you don't know. I say you can finish the food, you know. Today feel like Sunday. So yeah, go and easy back with the kids them and all the vibe. So stick and stay and watch what I go on.